Starting a home bakery business in Wisconsin can be a fulfilling venture for those passionate about baking and eager to share their creations with the community. To ensure a smooth start, it's crucial to understand the specific requirements, permits, and regulations set by the state. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Understand Wisconsin's cottage food laws. Wisconsin's cottage food laws are designed to allow small-scale food operations to produce and sell certain types of foods directly to consumers without needing a commercial kitchen. However, it's important to note that Wisconsin has specific regulations that govern the sale of home-baked goods. As of the latest update, Wisconsin allows the sale of home-baked goods without a license, thanks to a court ruling that deemed the previous requirement unconstitutional. However, there are limitations on what can be sold and how much revenue you can generate. 2. Determine what you can bake and sell. In Wisconsin, you're allowed to sell baked goods such as breads, cookies, cakes, and pies that do not require refrigeration. This is to ensure food safety and prevent the growth of pathogens. Before planning your product line, confirm that your items comply with these guidelines. 3. Business registration and legal considerations. Register your business. Decide on a business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, and register your business with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. Sales permit. While a specific home bakery permit may not be required, you should register for a seller's permit through the Wisconsin Department of Revenue to legally sell your goods and collect sales tax if applicable. 4. Labeling and marketing. Wisconsin requires that all food products sold to consumers are properly labeled with the product name, ingredients, net weight, and the name and address of the business. Ensure your labels comply with these regulations to avoid any legal issues. 5. Setting up your home bakery. Workspace. Ensure your baking area meets Wisconsin's health and safety standards, even though you might not be subject to regular inspections. Equipment. Invest in the necessary baking and packaging equipment while keeping an eye on your budget. 6. Insurance and liability. Consider obtaining liability insurance to protect your business and personal assets. This can cover you in case of a product liability claim or other business-related legal issues. 7. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing plan to attract customers. This could include social media marketing, participating in local farmers markets, and building a website to showcase your products. Costs to consider. Business registration fees vary depending on the business structure, generally ranging from $50 to $130. Equipment and supplies can start from a few $100s to several thousand, depending on what you already own and the quality of equipment you purchase. Insurance. Liability insurance costs vary widely, but expect to pay a few $100s annually. Examples. Successful home bakeries in Wisconsin often start small, focusing on local farmers markets, community events, and online sales. They leverage social media to showcase their products and connect with customers. As your business grows, consider expanding your reach through online sales or a dedicated storefront. Conclusion. Starting a home bakery in Wisconsin is a promising venture for those with a passion for baking. By understanding and complying with the state's regulations, setting up a proper business structure, and effectively marketing your products, you can build a successful home-based bakery. Remember to keep an eye on changing regulations and adapt your business plan accordingly. 2/2. U. Mississippi.